All right, our DMR number 2. We're going to write an inequality that represents M, the number of minutes that she worked, that she will be late for work. So Rachel was on her way to work, and due to traffic, she knew that she would be more than 15 minutes late. So remember, it represents M. So here's M, the number of minutes she'll be late. She knew that she'd be more than 15 minutes late. So more than is going to be that M is going to be greater than or more than 15. So more than is just that greater than. We are going to have an open circle because if it's just greater than or less than, it's going to be an open circle because there's not anything else saying we need to include it. With that closed circle, the closed circle will have that equal to, it can be equal to that, but these are going to just be open circles. So we are having that open circle, and we are going to shade it to the right because M is bigger than 15. So any number bigger than 15 is what we're going to shade. So we're going to shade to the right. So if she's more than 15 minutes late, how many minutes could she be late? Well, she could be late 21 minutes, I don't know, or maybe 17 minutes. She can be late any number greater than or more than 15. Perfect. That's going to be it for our DMR number 2. Great job.